Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect the GitLab with the Claude and how to use it for your own purposes. So let's dive into the video without wasting any further time. So first thing is that you need to have a desktop application as well as a command terminal Claude application. In order to install the CLI of the Claude, the guide, I have created a separate video for it. You guys can just click on the video on the top right corner and watch it if you want to install it first. Let's get back to the video. I would recommend using the command line terminal because it's more convenient to use the routers or MCP things and connectors rather than going with the desktop application. For example, if you go to the if you want to connect the connectors from the desktop application, you just go plus icon and then go to the connectors option, then go to the add connectors and then add custom connector or browse connectors. So some of the connectors are not available in the desktop application, but you guys can always connect it using the MCP routers or API keys through the command line terminal. But let's go ahead and check if the GitLab is available over here. As you guys can see that no GitLab connector is available, which is you guys cannot actually connect it using the desktop application. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the CLI version. Now, as I've already asked it, have I connected my GitLab with the Claude? It says no, I don't see any GitLab connection at this page. I want to connect the GitLab. Let me know how to with Claude or wait. So I have given a simple prompt which I have simply asked it, do I want to connect the GitLab? Let me know if Claude can do it and how to do it, and also that it will simply open up the GitLab sign-in page for me from here. Let me maximize it so you guys can see it. Now I have installed the GitLab. As you guys can see that it went through a few of the steps. I just paused the video so that it can go ahead and install the CLI version of the GitLab in the packages. So here you guys can see that it has installed. The package ID is GitLab glab.glab, which is installing now. GLab is installed. Let me confirm it's reachable. A fresh install sometimes need a new shell to pick up a path. So it's running in the background, but this is how exactly you guys can install the GitLab with it. And I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.